Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar rose 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams Indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Russia increased its oil production in April thanks to a more generous OPEC Plus quota, as the nation pumped 42.81 million tons of crude and condensate last month. Britain is rushing to increase aid for India's teetering healthcare system, promising more ventilators and expert advice as doctors grapple with a surge in coronavirus infections. April's strong rally in the euro-US dollar pair shows no signs of losing momentum, as the pair could extend its gains in the first week of May.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI at 1345 GMT. The U.S. ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 600 GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 700 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.